Imagine standing perfectly still in a forest, convinced you're hidden. But something knows you're there, not by sight, sound, or smell, but by sensing the invisible sparks of energy inside your body. Some animals possess a secret sense. They can detect the faint electrical signals all living things emit. Every time you move, blink, or breathe, your muscles create tiny bursts of electricity. We're like living batteries, broadcasting our presence to anything that knows how to listen. This isn't magic, it's biology. Our bodies run on electrical commands that keep us alive. These signals radiate out, a silent language spoken by all living things. Each heartbeat sends out a pulse, a whisper that says, "I am here." For us, it's just life. For certain animals, that whisper is a shout. While we rely on eyes and ears, some creatures have a sixth sense, electroreception. They see the world in fields of energy, not just light and shadow. This ability turns the tables on hunter and hunted. No matter how well you hide, your body gives you away. Your own electrical signals betray you, sending out a constant stream of information. In the wild, there's no such thing as being truly invisible. Sharks are the masters of this sixth sense. Their snouts are covered in tiny jelly-filled pores called the ampullae of Lorenzini, biological detectors for the faintest electric fields. Sharks can sense electrical fields as weak as a few billionths of a volt. Imagine a flounder buried under sand, perfectly camouflaged. It can't hide its heartbeat. A shark cruising overhead doesn't need to see the fish. It detects the electric signature below. To a shark, hidden prey is like a neon sign flashing, "Dinner is here!" This explains why sharks hunt so well in darkness or murky water. Even metal objects in the ocean can attract their attention, as they create small electric fields. Human divers, too, are glowing beacons in this electric world. Sharks navigate a world of invisible signals, making them formidable hunters. Their electroreception is a superpower we can barely imagine. In the ocean, electricity is the language of survival. Electroreception isn't just for ocean predators. The platypus in Australia's rivers has a bill covered in thousands of electroreceptors. When hunting, it closes its eyes, ears, and nostrils, sweeping its bill to sense hidden prey. It creates an electrical map of the riverbed, finding shrimp and insects by their faint signals. Back in the ocean, rays and skates use similar sensors to detect food buried in sand. Their ampullae of Lorenzini let them distinguish living prey from lifeless objects. A buried clam gives off a signature of life. A shell does not. For these animals, the world is felt through electricity, not just sight or touch. Their senses reveal a hidden dimension of reality. Our human experience is just one way to perceive the world. For them, electricity is everything. Some fish don't just sense electricity, they create it. Weakly electric fish in Africa and South America generate a constant electric field around their bodies. This field acts like radar. Any object that enters distorts it, and the fish detects these changes. They navigate and hunt in total darkness, building a 3D map of their world, but they also use electricity to communicate. By changing the frequency and pulse of their discharges, they send messages, signaling species, gender, and territory. It's a silent conversation, a language of sparks hidden from us. In a muddy river, these fish experience a vibrant social scene of electric chatter. Each fish has a unique frequency, like a personal radio station. If two fish get too close, one shifts its frequency to avoid jamming. It's a complex, elegant form of communication. Their world is alive with invisible signals. Meet the electric eel, the heavyweight of the electric world. Not a true eel, but a knife fish. It can generate shocks up to 860 volts. The electric eel uses electricity as both weapon and tracking system. It sends out low-voltage pulses to make hidden prey twitch, then detects those movements. Once it locates its target, it unleashes a high-voltage shock to paralyze the prey. The eel can even manipulate its prey, forcing it out of hiding with controlled shocks. This is more than brute force. It's precision hunting. The electric eel is a master of its environment, using electricity to find, immobilize, and retrieve food. Its abilities show how versatile and powerful electroreception can be. Evolution has pushed this sense to its limit. Sensing invisible forces isn't just for hunters, it's for travelers too. Migratory birds navigate thousands of miles with astonishing accuracy. Their secret? Magnetoreception, the ability to sense Earth's magnetic field. Some birds may have magnetic particles in their beaks or ears, acting as a compass. Others might actually see the magnetic field as patterns overlaid on their vision. This gives them a built-in map for their epic journeys. Birds, sea turtles, and salmon all use this sense to cross vast distances. They're tuned into a global force we can't perceive. Magnetoreception is a superpower that connects them to the planet itself. It's a way of experiencing the world that's beyond our senses. After hearing about these animal senses, you might wonder, what about us? Our bodies are electric. Our brains and hearts run on electrical signals. Yet, we can't sense electric or magnetic fields like other animals. Some scientists think our distant ancestors may have had electroreception, but lost it as we moved onto land. Air is a poor conductor, making the sense less useful outside water. Maybe the ability is dormant, buried deep in our genes. Some experiments hint we might subconsciously sense magnetic fields. Still, we navigate the world without this hidden sense. Our bodies broadcast electricity, but we remain deaf to our own signal. These animal abilities inspire scientists and engineers. By studying electroreception, we're building better sensors, robots, and medical devices. Underwater drones now use artificial electroreceptors to navigate and inspect cables. In medicine, understanding our electrical signals could revolutionize diagnosis and treatment. Nature's solutions are guiding our technology. Every living thing leaks information into its environment. Nothing is truly hidden. Imagine if we could sense these fields. Would it make us feel safer or more exposed? The electric world is all around us, waiting to be discovered.